I was the one who had it all. I was the master of my fate. I never needed anybody in my life. I learned the truth too late. I'll never shake away the pain. I close my eyes, but she's still there. I let her steal into my melancholy heart. It's more than I can bear. Now I know she'll never leave me, even as she runs away. She will still torment me, calm me, hurt me, move me, come what may. Wasting in my lonely tower, waiting by an open door. I'll fool myself, she'll walk right in and be with me forevermore. I rage against the trials of love. I curse the fading of the light. Though she's already flown so far beyond my reach, she's never out of sight. Now I know she'll never leave me, even as she fades from view. She will still inspire me, be a part of everything I do. Wasting in my lonely tower, waiting by an open door. I'll fool myself, she'll walk right in, and as the long, long nights begin, I'll think of all that might have been, waiting here
Jeremy Grech. Hello. That was an amazing
Thank you.
from the musical Beauty and the Beast,
Yes.
right?
Yes, from the movie.
From the movie.
From the movie,
Yes,
yes.
from the movie. How did it feel? Because I know you performed in the first ever Kettle Club
Yes,
show.
yes.
And you did, I remember, You'll Be Back from Hamilton. That was such an amazing performance because
Thank you.
everyone mentions it all the time.
It was a good feel song.
Yes,
so it's
it
that,
was.
Yes. Everyone sings
and you
it.
have that sort of character.
It's you gave us the songs to fit the characters.
Yes.
So, you know.
How did it feel now that you're doing a ballad instead of an upbeat song?
Ħanek, mela, the character changes obviously. So instead of being more outspoken in a way, it's more, it's more internal, it's more facial, it's
more vulnerable.
Plus, this time we're in front of cameras right
Yes.
over there. Fran, what are you saying?
You step forward.
Can I step forward?
Step forward,
How's
like
this? Good.
Better, like
Good.
this?
Hello?
Better?
Good. So, we were talking about the song.
They can see you better. Wait, smile at them. They can see us better.
Did I brush my teeth?
Good, perfect.
Mela, we were
You were
talking about...
yes, you were saying that it's more vulnerable, and now we're
This
in front
is
of the camera.
exactly, we're more in front of the camera, so
Yeah.
we're tighter space, less people, there's no audience to feed back off.
What do you
so
prefer, in front of just the camera with
Audience,
little people
audience,
or audience? Even I.
It's, I mean,
I
no
know.
offense to the crew, guys. You don't feel the same.
Hey! Jumping to another subject. I know people call you a nickname.
Which one?
Which one?
No, she's my...
Okay, I'm afraid to ask. The pirate.
Yes. Yes.
Why do they call you the pirate?
I mean, as you can tell, the earrings, usually when I'm wearing more me clothing, there's...
Usually you're more pirate.
Is this good, Fran? How's this, Fran?
Come over here. Wait. She wants to see you model a bit. Do like this. Yeah. Perfect.
I think I'm gonna cut this interview short.
Sorry, yes.
Okay, let's
Yes.
let's cut. If you want to watch Jeremy's performance of You'll Be Back from the show, it is on the YouTube channel
Yes.
of the Kettle Club because it was an amazing performance. Obviously,
Give me an arg, Mr. Pirate.
They don't do that. They don't. That's too Disney. I'm not gonna go arg.
you've offended the pirate.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, you can click over here so you can see more from Musical Mondays. Click over here so you can learn more about the Kettle Club and maybe join us. And over here so you can subscribe to our channel. And the rig-a-ding-ding, hit that bell notification button so you can be notified about new videos. Subscribe, babies.